3, 2, 1, go shoot! Go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot!
What's up, Bladers? We're back with another Beyblade X Dragon King challenge. This challenge took place during a casual tournament at Rumble Royale. This time, a Blader from the East challenges the Dragon King. Bladers from the East are known to be fierce and aggressive, so the Dragon King is in for a surprise. As far as the Dragon King knows, this Blader competes weekly in the Rizal Blader tournaments, and he is one of the legendary Blader's best friends. He's Beshi Anthony. Oh, and it's his birthday today. Make sure to greet him in the comment section. Happy birthday, my guy. Will Beshi Anthony defeat the Dragon King with his skills and birthday powers? Or will the Dragon King reclaim his title? Stick around to find out. These are the combos that I used for this challenge. Grand Buster with a 560 ratchet and the point bit. Cobalt Dragoon with the 160 ratchet and the rush bit. Lightning El Drago upper with a 360 ratchet and the low flat bit. Here are the rules and regulations of the Dragon King challenge.
First bay tayo, show. Ready? Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Go shoot! Uy! Burst ang wood. Uy! Uy! Burst ang wood. Check mo, check mo. Check. Sa camera na, para makita ko yung opponent. Ikaw yung nag-burst, di ba? 2 points. 2 points. Okay, Bladers ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Go shoot! No! Uy! 3 points. Uy! 3 points. Oo, natalo ka. 3, 2. Third bay tayo. Third bay. Tawat. Uy, hindi ko kilala yan ah. Elgag. Elgag. Dapat pala ginagamit ko rin yung isa eh. Yung barrage. May picture ko. Ayun, dapat yung ginagamit mo. Okay, Bladers ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Go shoot! Ano yung video? Low flat. Talo na ako. Pag-asa pa. Ano na? Manalo ka na. First time. 4-2. Okay na ako dito. Next thing din yung El Drago. First base. Lahat naman karamihan ng Dragon left talaga. Hindi ba? May lang nagkaroon ng Dragon na right. Yung puro left ka rin siya. Hindi, ano, yung Dragon. Left yun eh. Sa burst? Ay, sa ano? Left yun sa plastic. Yung bago nata na re-release, diba? Ano, left yun na... Ay, sa X yung nagkaroon na right na Dragon. Pero wala naman. Meron, Wyvern. Ay, right yun. Okay, ready na? And 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Go shoot! Ay, 1 point. Bagong set na ito eh, no? Second bay. Hindi nakita nila. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
Para sa ating pag 2, mag-roll ka lang tayo. Pag nandito kayo, taas nila yung 1, 2, pag 2, mag-roll ka lang tayo. Pag nandito kayo, taas nila ang inyong kanang kamay.
Kali ako na doon. Ano yung muna nakascore ng 1? 2-1. Yung first bay. Ako pala. Siya. Ay, hindi. Ito. 1 point siya kanina. 1 point siya kanina sa Phoenix. Okay. 2-1 na. 2-1. Ay, Tobre. Third bay. Oy! Bossing! Panalo siya sa Raiders ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Go shoot! Power ako.
Para sa pag 2, meron tayong dito sa listahan, mayroong 26.
Uy, dami rin ah.
Ang dami. Ito ay 5 round series, so depende sa itatagal.
Napit eh. Luto tayo ah.
Players
Raiders
ang
ready.
mga nandito.
3, 2, 1, go shoot! Go shoot!
Ang unang-una sa listahan, si Shadow Blader. Nandito ba kayo? Ayun, sa Shadow Blader nito si Pocho. Gab. Paul Phoenix. Gab. Paul Phoenix. Georgie.
4-2. Ano na?
Yami.
Panalo ko first. Yes. Yun, may panalo din.
Anton.
And that's game. The final standing is Dragon King 2, Beshi Anthony 0. Beshi Anthony gave it his all, but the Dragon King really wanted that win. He's your winner and the new Dragon King Challenge Champion. Wawawiwa. Props to Beshi Anthony for the epic battle. So, you want to challenge me for an exhibition match? Do you want to win the championship belt? Just comment down below so we can set something up. That's it for today's challenge. Thanks again to Beshi Anthony, and I'll see you guys on the next video.